Landing pages and order forms, designing high-converting landing pages and optimizing checkout experiences. Craft irresistible landing pages that seal the deal. ThriveCart empowers you to create visually captivating and persuasive landing pages without any coding skills. Design sleek checkout forms that capture essential information while ensuring a seamless customer experience. Here's how to make every page a conversion magnet: clear and compelling headlines, grab attention and instantly communicate your value proposition. Concise and persuasive copy, highlight benefits, address pain points, and showcase your product's transformative power. Eye-catching visuals, incorporate captivating images and videos that showcase your product in action. Strategic calls to action, guide visitors seamlessly towards purchase with clear and compelling CTA buttons. Optimize checkout experience, minimize form fields, offer multiple payment options, and ensure a frictionless checkout process. Mobile responsiveness, ensure your pages look stunning and function flawlessly across all devices. Remember, every element of your landing page should work in harmony to guide visitors towards a confident purchase decision. ThriveCart's intuitive design tools and split testing features empower you to experiment, refine, and create pages that convert clicks into customers.